In this video, we will be showing you how to inflate your professional exercise stability ball. In the package, you will find the exercise manual, the exercise ball, the plug and the plug tool, and the hand pump. Remove the products from their packaging and unfold the exercise ball. Remove the plug from the exercise ball and insert the hand pump. Begin pumping it to fill out the ball. Inflate the ball to a maximum of 22 inches in diameter. Simultaneously remove the hand pump and put the plug back in. To use the plug remover tool included, use the opening of the tool to remove the top of the plug by pulling outwards. Thank you for watching this how-to video. For more information and help on this product, click on the link below.